Pheromones are chemical signals released by animals that trigger social responses in members of the same species. These chemically derived messages can be complex and serve various functions, including mate attraction, delineating territories, signaling alarm, and establishing social hierarchies. The use of pheromones as a communication mechanism is widespread across the animal kingdom, and some species are particularly renowned for their reliance on these chemical signals. Pheromones for communication in mating rituals. One of the most common uses of pheromones is in mating. Insects like moths use species-specific pheromones to attract mates over long distances. Female silk moths, for example, release a sex pheromone that can attract males from miles away. Similarly, many mammals secrete pheromones from glandular structures found in skin, urine, or feces that signal reproductive status. For instance, when female cats are in heat, they release pheromones in their urine to alert nearby males. Territory marking with pheromones. In territorial species, pheromones play a critical role in marking boundaries and signaling ownership over a particular area. Canids, including wolves and dogs, are known for using urine to mark their territories. The urine contains pheromones that convey information about the individual's identity, status, and sexual availability to other animals that may encounter the scent marks. This method effectively deters other individuals from encroaching on the territory and helps to maintain social order within the species. Alarm signaling and social hierarchy. Establishment. Some species of social insects like ants and bees use pheromones as alarm signals. When an ant is threatened, it may release an alarm pheromone that sends nearby colony members into a defensive state, prompting them to attack or flee. Honeybees use a special alarm pheromone that encourages other bees to defend the hive from intruders. This alarm pheromone can attract bees to the location where the pheromone was released, facilitating a concerted defense. Moreover, pheromones play a vital role in establishing and maintaining social hierarchies, especially in social insects like bees, ants, and termites, where queen pheromones regulate the productivity and behavior of the colony. Queen honeybees, for example, produce a variety of pheromones known collectively as the queen mandibular pheromone, which suppresses the development of ovaries in other female bees, ensuring that only the queen reproduces. The communication of emotional states is another complex way animals use pheromones. Elephants, for example, may communicate aggression, sexual readiness, or other social information through chemical signals. In summary, from the silent coordination of social insects to the territorial announcements of a wolf pack, pheromones serve an influential role in how animals interact and coexist. The strategic emission and interpretation of these chemical messages enable species to mate successfully, establish territory, and communicate important social cues, thereby facilitating the functioning of complex ecosystems and the preservation of biodiversity.